Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Let's make this recipe together called Blueberry Almond Gems. It's moist and tasty, and it makes a really good breakfast muffin. And before we get started, just a reminder that my first cookbook is available on Amazon, and I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. And I am still working on my second recipe book, and it should be out in the next few months. So stay tuned in for that, and I will keep you informed. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right to today's recipe. So start by placing 2 3/4 cups of flour into a mixing bowl. Then we'll add 3/4 cup of white sugar to that. And then we'll go ahead and add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now then add about 6 tablespoons of butter. Now to add a little moisture to the dry ingredients, so we'll add 3/4 cup of milk. And about another 3/4 cup of water. Add 1 large egg. And we'll need to grate the zest of a lemon, and we'll need about a teaspoon of that. Then squeeze out the juice of half a lemon and add that to the batter. Stir it in until it's well blended. And finally, we'll fold in 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Now spoon the batter into prepared muffin tins. Here in the recipe I've used paper liners, but I found that the paper liners actually stuck to the muffin a little bit because these are very moist with the blueberries in it. So if you have silicone muffin tins or liners, use them. That would work much better for this recipe. Now we're going to top this off with a little bit of almonds and white sugar. Mix that together and sprinkle that on the top of each of them. And I probably used about 1/3 cup of each. And I added another blueberry on top. In a preheated 400-degree oven on the middle rack. This for between 20 to 25 minutes. And when they're done, they'll be lightly golden brown like this. Let them cool down just a little bit and then remove them from the pan. To finish cooling, place them on a wire rack. And these are good whether they're fresh out of the oven and still hot, or whether they've cooled down and they're cold. I even froze them and they were good that way too. So there you have it, Blueberry Pecan Gems. The name speaks for itself. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, happy eating, and I'll go make some.